Hello everyone. Welcome back to Bazai. Today we're diving into something really powerful, a multi-agent telecom AI system built using LangGraph, Galileo, OpenAI ChatKit, and AugmentCode. This project is called the Telecom Agent, an intelligent customer service framework that uses AI agents to handle billing, technical support, and plan advisory, all in real time, with multilingual support and production-grade tools. What is LangGraph? LangGraph is a powerful orchestration layer for AI agents. It allows you to build agentic workflows, meaning multiple agents that collaborate, share context, and make decisions autonomously. Think of it like this. In a telecom setup, you can have a billing agent, a technical support agent, and a plan advisor, all working together under a supervisor agent that routes the conversation intelligently. It's built on top of LangChain, but adds graph-based state management, tool integration, and parallel reasoning between agents, making it ideal for real-world telecom operations. Galileo Evaluation Layer. To make this system reliable, we need a way to evaluate agent performance, and that's where Galileo AI comes in. Galileo acts as a performance observability layer. It tracks metrics like tool accuracy, agent latency, response quality, and flow success rate. Basically, how well each agent is reasoning and performing. In telecom operations, these metrics are crucial because you need both speed and accuracy. Galileo gives you full visibility through dashboards that map out your LangGraph's performance in production. OpenAI ChatKit integration. Let's talk about the ChatKit part. This is what powers your user interface and real-time messaging. Using ChatKit, you can spin up a modern chat environment that connects directly to your LangGraph backend. It supports session management, message streaming, typing indicators, and AI responses in real time, perfect for multi-agent environments. You'll generate a client token on your backend with your API key and pass that to the ChatKit front end, which handles everything securely. This gives you a production-ready chat experience in minutes, no heavy front-end coding needed. Overview of what we're building. So what we're doing here is building a multi-agent chatbot that mimics a full customer support system. It uses LangGraph for orchestrating agents, Galileo for evaluating their reasoning quality, and OpenAI ChatKit for the modern chat UI. We'll also integrate AugmentCode to run the development flow directly from your CLI or VS Code. This system can handle customer billing queries, technical issues, and plan recommendations, and it even routes conversations intelligently between agents, supervised by a control agent. How it works in action. When a user joins the chat and says something like, "My internet is slow," the system automatically identifies the right agent, in this case, the technical support agent, and starts troubleshooting instantly. If someone asks, "What's my current bill?" the billing agent takes over, retrieves account info, and sends a structured response. Everything is tracked in real time through Galileo, where you can evaluate metrics like tool selection quality, latency, completion accuracy, and performance trends. This setup is multilingual. The chatbot can seamlessly switch between English, Hindi, Arabic, Spanish, or French, maintaining the same conversational context. Architecture and workflow. Let's talk about the architecture. On the front end, we use ChatKit, which provides a beautiful chat interface with real-time session management and intelligent conversation routing. The back end is powered by FastAPI with multi-agent orchestration through LangGraph. Agents include Billing Agent, handles invoices, plans, and upgrades. Technical Support Agent, diagnoses device or network issues. Plan Advisory Agent, suggests the best plan based on user usage. Supervised Agent, monitors responses and ensures accuracy. All these agents send logs to Galileo, where you can visualize and evaluate your model's performance, including latency, action chains, reasoning depth, and outcome quality. Data and evaluation. Now, one of the most important aspects of this system is training data. While synthetic data helps during prototyping, real-time log data collected from production gives your agents realistic edge cases. These logs are streamed directly into Galileo, allowing you to track, retrain, and refine your models continuously. You can also integrate OpenAI's ChatKit SDK. Just authenticate via CLI, generate your session token, and connect it to your front end. This setup enables seamless conversation history, contextual prompts, and easy agent integration. AugmentCode integration. Now, let's talk about AugmentCode. This is like your developer playground. It plugs directly into Visual Studio Code and supports CLI-based authentication. Once logged in, you can automatically pull your prompt contexts, run commands, and build entire agentic workflows directly inside VS Code. It's simple, lightweight, and super developer-friendly. You just authenticate, generate tokens, and start coding. Multi-agent demo walkthrough. Here's how it works live. When a user says hi, the chatbot intelligently routes the query. Maybe it's a billing issue, maybe technical support. If a user says, "My internet is slow," it instantly connects to the technical support agent, runs diagnostic logic, and provides structured troubleshooting steps. The system even supports multilingual conversations: English, Spanish, Hindi, Arabic, French, and more. So users can switch languages on the fly while maintaining the same context. You can integrate ServiceNow APIs and your internal knowledge base to make the responses even smarter. Deployment and GitHub setup. Once everything's configured, you can deploy the full pipeline using CI/CD. Your logs, metrics, and performance dashboards will all sync with Galileo's analytics environment. The project README covers the Python setup, dual interface, backend APIs, and UI configuration. It's a unified ChatKit interface with real-time session management, intelligent routing, and advanced supervision. All of this runs smoothly with Pinecone as the vector database for context retrieval. Final thoughts. So yeah, that's the complete setup for building a multi-agent, multilingual, intelligent customer care system using LangGraph, Galileo, ChatKit, and AugmentCode. It's modular, scalable, and perfect for telecom or enterprise support systems. I'll drop the GitHub repository link in the description below so you can try it out, clone it, and start experimenting right away. I hope you found this breakdown helpful and inspiring. If you're excited about building your own AI-powered customer service agents, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.